So guys, pang 13 ata to guys, pang 13. So ang tips, draw sidewalk and water. So sidewalk lang to guys, no? Sidewalk. Itong bridge, sidewalk din to. Okay. So G, letter G, arc tool. Yan, arc tool. S, G, G pa rin yan. Okay, din dito G, space. So may lumampas, letter Y lang to delete. Boundary clipper. Unahan natin to guys, G, hindi, S lang, S. Next, yan lang. Hindi naman yan straight. G, sa curve. S, space. So may lumampas, letter Y, boundary clipper. So pwede lang to S guys. Straight naman to guys, oh. Straight. S lang to guys. Parang ganyan lang. Space. Yan na. So then may water dito. Water. So i-hide lang muna natin tong sidewalk. Yan. Uy. Hindi siya nag-hide. Bakit? Bakit hindi siya nag-hide? Sige lang. Old method guys. Gamitin natin guys. Old method. So S pa rin. S. DDD. Control D. DDD. Ano to guys? Pinipress ko yung letter D. Yan. Para madali ka. Madali ba? Sa mouse click kasi matagal mag-click. Mag-click. Yeah, DDD lang, DDD. Then change to gray water, then space. Space na. Space. Yan. Ang mga lumampas, boundary clipper lang, letter Y. Old method to gagamitin natin guys, ha. Hindi kasi hindi ma-hide yung sidewalk. Okay, kakat natin tong sidewalk guys. Cut natin. T, space, para makat. Corner to corner, T. Then select, Control V. Then lagyan natin ng water. Yan. So dalawa ng label nito guys. Water at saka sidewalk. So i-overlap natin to. I-select, then press letter N. Yan. Ganyan guys. Control A to submit. Control V pala yung guys, no? Para maglagay ng ibang category. Control V. Yes. Thank you.